Hi, I'm Krishna. I'm a software engineer from Hyderabad. I'm married and I have a daughter. During the corona pandemic, now we need a home which actually can serve the purpose of a house environment and a great office environment also. Many people are actually preferring that. I'm also following the same way. 90% of the time we're actually staying at home, and all we want is a great kitchen, a place where I can actually do my office work comfortably, and my 12-year-old daughter to attend her classes without any interruptions. And I'm a great fan of music and videos too, and hence one extra thing I was looking for was a good home theater system. For this home, I was pretty clear that I will go with an interior designer, because the interior designer actually comes with a lot of options. I considered few, in fact many people, many of them were actually local contractors and few were established corporate firms. Well, actually going through, I had few preferences of choice. One was it has to be economical, and then the quality has to be good. They had to provide me a lot of choices, and at the same time it should give me a lot of personalized experience. That's when I actually came through Arcs, and they actually the personalized option that they gave has actually convinced me to go through them. Yeah, now coming to the choices they were actually giving me, I had few choices of my own design, and then there were few subtle magical experiences which I have actually got. For example, this partition, I never expected this would come this way. And then going to my puja room, or the family photo gallery, and then some kind of small highlighters in the crockery room. All these are very subtle aspects. You never actually plan for these small things in detail, but they actually blow your mind. And that's there are like ample of such magical experience in almost each of the rooms. And coming to the house as it was given was not actually as per our needs too. Hence, at certain places we had to go with the complete revamp of the design. Taking example of the kitchen, the storeroom, we actually removed the whole kitchen and worked through that one. And that was an enormous process. I could not actually come up with the solutions too. There, the architect of Arcs, Raghu Verma, has actually given me multiple options of how to redesign that one. So we not only redesigned the whole kitchen, and we changed the tiles, as well as even for the computer, a multi-purpose room, the whole experience has been changed. And especially if you are concerned about whether to trust somebody or not, how the trust has to be established, the Arcs Media actually can be the choice for you, because trust is never broken, and the comfort level you get for yourself and your wife is absolutely great. So I highly recommend Arcs. I'm very happy with it.